Aharishaha munana nedaciki 15 zihangwe Purezidenti Yoweri Museveni nubwo yakaca ikororo okugamba hambere ryo mwihanga. Omukugamba kwa Purezidenti yashobora kwihanga dizirene rutunguka ebikozurwe ebirumono bikorwa hamwe na nebiro kutegatekwa kukorwa omukurwanisa obworo. Purezidenti Museveni yagira ngo kurabira ombyo buhinji n'oburisa obwinji bw'amate bweyonjire na n'obucwekigana 93 harigana okuraga aharitas biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 8 omwaka gw'ebyesente gw'N2020 2021 okuzaha ritas biliyoni 5 na miliyoni 800 omwani nagwe gweyonjire amajani ebyenyanja hamwe na nebindi. President Museveni nagira ngo government ya NRM eyehire yo kurwanisa obworo okurabira mu parish development model emyoga hamwe n'izindi za program zayo ezo kurwanisa obworo.
This means that the government's effort to create wealth at household level is taking root. This will be further enhanced by the parish development model and the Myoga government initiatives.
President Museveni yashobora na habindi bintu government ebembize okuleta hintunguko mwihanga.
In power parity method, this would mean an economy of $156.7 billion. This in turn is projected to grow our GDP per capita to USD dollars 1,186, up from US dollars 1,096.
Kona Presidenti yajumera bobona abari kutahira byo buhangwa bwensi eyabamwe ibintu byabo byasisirwa mizi abantu bakaferwa amagara gabo.
There has been major disruptions to transportation arising from the damage of Katonga, which was washed away by floods. The floods also led to the eroding of wetland vegetation and gardens in the upstream parts of the catchment.
Ahache bitingwa President Museveni yashobora hiteke ryahirize kutaho umukono.
My stand on homosexuality has been repeatedly laid out to all and sundry. It starts with a few questions. Why does somebody become a homosexual? Is it on account of genetic, hormonal, or psychological reasons?
President Museveni yashaba abanyayuganda kwerinda ngo COVID-19 echuruho.
Well, yes, in the morning I was feeling as if I have a slight cold. So I called my medical team to check corona. They took samples as usual. There is what they call a red one. That one was negative. Then there are two which go for deeper analysis. One was negative. The other one was positive. So I'm a suspect of corona as I'm standing here.
President Museveni natekatekwa garuka kugambira ihanga ahabiri 15 by'ukwezi kwa mukago mwaka gw'2023 ubwaruka yogamba ko hambarira yihanga. Bamwe mu banyishengero bagamba kuganira kwa Presidenti.
Movement ekasharamu ku kwereza abantu abatakwebasa free education. Konka kucyahikiro mukute umunkora cyaguma nchicumbagira munonga tariho ishomero ningira erukukiriza ngo abantu umwana nargomuka ataho mu ishomero atene cyashashwire
imhanda minge siskire ecyongere kucisha munonga tukagwisenzura nyingi kana yejura ntugenda kakutagwisenzura nyingi narangira kwisha imhanda
ndakusima president abuko yajanga government nezagumane kuma obusingi abuko hatari obusingi tinde kintu kikubasha kukorwa.
So nasima Presidenti abo kuba yagira ngo kandi tube twashigamiro n'Agacencwire kugira ngo at least ibihingwa byite bikorwa mu sente tukore cyo bakweta value addition
yagamba akunduza amashomero agamwe agakaraga yembecure kare no gwongera wo buhangu
kandi na president namanya ngu entindo zitu zakanye ite ezekitobero zakatete zirikubi ahabwa mezi agaziteganisa mbwenu murinde echo nikiza kukorwa
ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.